Hello traders. Today is the 15th of March 2023. What a blessing day, guys. We had amazing trade today. Euro USD. If you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what we explained to my trader this morning. And if you don't see candle close above this previous high, which is broken, and if you look at this candle, we have a bearish engulfing candle. That's give us a good sign. So we were expecting this breakout short trade and bank amazing profit. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries in intraday. That was a beautiful trade. If you look at here, this is the analysis we did, and you can see here the price could not broke on this resistance level. And if you look at technically, this is the if you look at the intraday, we have head and shoulder pattern. That was a pretty straightforward, price nicely broken, hit to the profit target, which is previous. If you look at it based on the 4-hour, this was the target previous low. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what we explained to our trader. You can see here it's time to enjoy some profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy more if you join our trading community and watch this analysis in real time and bank profit in real time. Have a safe trading, guys. Wish you all the best.